They tell you to pray for a miracle, but what if prayer isn't about asking? What if it's about becoming? You feel the silence after a prayer, a sense that your words are not being heard. You are searching for a sign, a breakthrough, a change. But what if the answer you're waiting for has been waiting inside you all along, hidden not in a secret text, but in the way of seeing taught by one of history's greatest masters of the heart, Muhammadan Ibn Arabi? He knew this ache. He understood the soul's cry for a connection it has forgotten. And in the ocean of his teachings, there is a path, a way to practice, inspired by his vision, a 7-day journey of blessings designed not to demand miracles, but to become a vessel quiet enough for them to land. In the next few minutes, we will walk this path together. This is not just a recitation, it is a returning. Before we begin the practice, we must understand why it works. Not with the mind, but with the soul. We must try to see through the eyes of Ibn Arabi, the Shaykh al-Akbar, the greatest master. His teaching was never about rules. It was about the nature of reality itself. At the very heart of his vision is a truth that makes this practice breathe. He taught of al-Wujud, the unity of all being. The idea that everything you see, everything you feel, is a single divine reality manifesting itself. God is not a distant sovereign on a throne, but the very existence that flows through you, as you. Our sense of separation, our loneliness, this is not a punishment. It is a forgetting. This practice is a remembrance, a way to polish the mirror of the heart, so it can reflect the unity that was never absent. Then there is the al-Haqiqatul Muhammadiyya, the Muhammadan reality. For Ibn Arabi, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam is more than a man who walked the earth. He is the first dawn of divine light in creation, the channel through which all grace, all mercy, all blessings descend from the unseen into the world of form. He is the bridge between the divine and the human. So when you send blessings upon him, the act of durood, it is not merely praise, it is a conscious alignment. It is turning your entire being toward the source of warmth. By blessing the vessel, you are opening yourself to the river that flows through it. Finally, we come to number and intention. Repetition in the Sufi path is not mindless. It is a way of engraving a truth onto the soul. The number for this practice is 313. In the tradition, this number holds a memory. It is the number of messengers. It is the number of souls who stood with the Nabiyyu sallallahu alayhi wasallam at Badr, when a small, faithful group witnessed a miraculous victory against impossible odds. To recite this blessing 313 times is not magic. It is an alignment. It is to whisper to your own struggle that the same support that turned impossibility into victory is present for you now. This specific 7-day path with its daily intentions is not a rigid prescription from Ibn Arabi himself. He did not leave formulas. He left an ocean. This is a cup of water drawn from that ocean, a structured way for the modern heart to connect with a timeless truth. And so the journey begins. For 7 days, you will enter a sacred space. Find a quiet time, a moment when the world will not call for you. The stillness before dawn holds a special grace. Prepare yourself. Make a wudu, not as a ritual, but as a washing away of the world. Sit in a clean and quiet space. Close your eyes. Let the day fall away. Your intention, your niyyah, is everything. It is not a wish, it is a returning. Hold the intention to draw near to the divine, to polish your heart, and to open to grace for His sake alone. The heart of the practice is this simple, profound blessing. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. O Allah, send your blessings upon our Master Muhammad and upon the family of our Master Muhammad. Each day, For 7 days, you will breathe this blessing 313 times, and each day you will hold a different intention, not as a thought, but as a silent space in your heart. Day 1, the theme of opening, al-Fattah. Today, you stand before the opener. As you recite, think of the doors in your life that feel closed, not just doors to work or wealth, but to peace, to forgiveness, to stillness. With each recitation, feel it is not a knock, but a key turning softly in the lock of your own heart. You are not forcing the door open. You are allowing it to be opened from within. Day 2, the theme of light, an-Nur. Today's whisper is for light. As you recite, feel each blessing is not a spark, but a gentle dawn breaking inside you. It is a light that doesn't just chase away darkness, but transforms it. You are not asking to see the path. You are asking to become the light that illuminates it with every step. Day 3, the theme of mercy, ar-Rahman. Today you do not ask for mercy. You dissolve into it. As you recite, let go of the parts of yourself you have judged, the mistakes, the shame. Let the recitation be a tide that washes away the shoreline of your guilt, reminding you that the ocean of mercy was always there, holding you, forgiving you before you even asked. Day 4, the theme of sustenance, ar-Razzaq. Today, your focus is the provider. Sustenance is not just what is in your bank account. It is the air you breathe, the love you receive, the strength that gets you through the day. As you recite, let go of the fear of lack. Let your heart soften into a deep trust that what you truly need is already on its way from sources seen and unseen. Day 5, the theme of victory, an-Nasir. Today, you call upon divine help. Think of the battle you are facing within, the overwhelming feeling. Like the 313 at Badr, you are remembering you do not stand alone. With each recitation, you are not asking for your enemy to be defeated. You are asking for your own fear to be vanquished. You are handing over your struggle to the only one who holds all power. Day 6, the theme of love, al-Wujud. Today, the practice shifts. You are no longer asking for anything. As you recite, let the blessing be an expression of pure love. Love for the Prophet, and through him, love for the source of all love. Feel your heart expand beyond your own needs. You are asking to be filled with a love that sees with compassion and forgives without effort. Day 7, the theme of witnessing, ash-Shaheed. On this last day, you arrive at stillness. Today, you don't ask, you don't intend, you simply witness. As you recite the blessing, be present to the miracle of your own breath, the silence between your heartbeats, the divine presence that is witnessing itself through you. The journey is complete. You are no longer asking for a miracle. You are witnessing the constant miracle of being. What happens after these 7 days? The first miracle is never loud. It does not arrive with thunder. It arrives as a quiet shift in the soul. There is a story of a heart, heavy with the weight of unanswered prayer, that came to a master. The master did not give him a new prayer. He taught him not to chase blessings, but to become a space for them to land. After the practice, the world outside had not changed. But the man had. The fear that was his constant companion had softened. The world was the same, but his eyes were new. And when his inner world shifted, he began to recognize the grace that was already there. A forgotten debt forgiven, an opportunity appearing from nowhere, a peace in his home that felt ancient and new. The miracles are not a breaking of laws. They are the laws of the universe responding to a heart that has come back into harmony. You stop pushing against the river. You learn to flow with it. The true transformation is this. You stop praying for a miracle and begin to pray from the miracle of your own being. Your prayer is no longer a cry into the void. it becomes a quiet participation in a universe that is alive and listening. Your journey begins with the first whisper. Begin this path with sincerity and witness what opens in you. This is not a formula, it is an invitation to a relationship. If this message opened even a small window of peace in your heart, stay connected. Subscribe to Heart's Whisper so this light continues to meet you where you are. And if you wish to support the work that keeps these whispers alive, you can tap the thanks button. Your kindness helps this circle of remembrance grow. Ibn Arabi taught that the goal is not to change the divine, but to change ourselves until we can perceive the mercy that was always there. This 7-day path is a map for that inner journey. It is a way to polish the heart, quiet the mind, and open the soul to the blessings that are always flowing. May this practice be a source of peace, clarity, and unveiling in your life. May your heart be opened, your path be illuminated, and may you come to witness the miracle that you already are. Go in peace.